Today we're going to troubleshoot paper damage errors on your HP DeskJet printer. This guide is tailored for a variety of DeskJet models, from the 2700 series to the 4100 series, and likely others in between. We'll go through several potential solutions to help you fix this issue efficiently. Let's start by understanding what might be causing the paper damage during printing, and tackle some quick remedies in the beginning. First, check if your paper is loaded correctly. Misaligned paper can cause jams and damage during printing. Next, inspect the paper for any creases or tears. Damaged paper can catch inside the printer and cause damage. Try using high-quality paper. Low-quality or damp paper can lead to jams and damage as it passes through the printer. Check the printer rollers. They may have accumulated dust or debris that needs cleaning to prevent paper damage. Ensure that the paper size setting in the printer matches the type of paper loaded. A mismatch can cause the paper to be improperly handled by the printer. Remove any jammed paper carefully to avoid tearing, which can lead to further issues. Finally, update your printer's firmware, as there may be updates available that improve paper handling features. If none of the methods we discussed have solved the paper damage error on your DeskJet printer, it might be time to consider a more detailed inspection or replacement parts. You can check the description below for recommended replacement parts like rollers or a new paper tray. If you're considering upgrading your printer, we've also linked some top-rated models you might find interesting. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful printing tips and check out our next video for more solutions.